Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're doing a little mod to the Suburban today. We're going to get rid of these stock headlights. Pretty bad. We're going to go with aftermarket eBay black housing right here. It's going to look a lot better. As we're doing that, we're going to upgrade to the LED headlights, high beams and low beams. So first thing is we got to take out our old ones. Now, all you have to do is see these two pins right here. Turn out. Turn this one out and just pull straight up. Don't lose them though. Pull straight up. This one should pop right out. Come on. Be nice and gentle with it. And then just unhook your connections. Okay, that one's unhooked. This one's unhooked. Alright. So we'll keep that there. Actually, let's look at this guy compared to this. Alright, so this is the old one for snow. It's gonna look a lot better. So next we have to get off this bottom one. If you come here, there should be a tab that's right here. If you look straight in here, there's a tab. You click this, push out, and then pull out this way. And then we're just gonna take this one out. Unscrew these out. And that one's out. Again. See all this moisture that's in there? I mean, it's not as clear. We're going from this guy right there. I'll install this one first. Now, these headlights, I will leave a description in there for them. Got them off eBay. I believe they're $60 or $70. Pretty easy to install. All right, this one. Turn this one in. Turn this one in. And then this one in. There we go. Now, up. There we go. That's it. Now again, go in careful. You gotta line these two tabs up right here. If you look right here, there's two tabs that get lined up back there. Just go in at an angle. Just make sure it's in the right location. There we go. And then I can go back some more. That one's in. And now for the top one, the top we have to take off the screws. Our inner is a 9005 and then the outer is 9006. Okay, so 9005 is the inner. These type of LEDs here. I'll leave a link for these guys too also. Did I say 9000? 9005 is the inner, so we'll start here. We'll get this one in. Spin this one. There we go. That one's in, and then 9006 for the outer. 9006. And I believe these came as a kit for $20, which is pretty cool. So we'll twist this one in. That one's twisted in. Oh, we actually got it. Come on. There we go. That's better. Put this back together. So we just got this one on, done. Over here. Plug them in. I'm just going to test them out real quick. So what I'm going to do is this. Keep them here. Let me know. Come on.
Yep.
Hey, look.
Good. This is
That's high beams right here. Highs. High beam one. Maybe because of the. Oh wait. Some of these, if you turn them backwards, yeah, look. See this plus and negative sign? This might be the reason. Okay, let's see. There it is. Yep, there we go. And then, so always be careful of that. Now, do I got left? That's normal. Left?
Yep.
Okay. All right. They all work.
So yeah, normal, high, and then this. I don't know.
I gotta.
Just the one. This one goes on and off the outside, but the inside didn't.
That's fine. Alright, cool. Let's put this back together.
You'll be able to do a side-by-side comparison of how the appearance changed.
Extra careful. Alright, now it's time for the passenger side. Again, pull the pins. Push this out. Careful pulling it out. Clip this guy. Right, that one's unclipped. And then for this guy, again, you look right here. There's a push button. The tab, you push this guy in, pulls out, twist these guys off. Twist off. Twist this one. Now with these ones, you gotta push this little spring and then twist. Stickers off. Okay. We're gonna watch these two tabs over here. Putting them in. Slide them in. And then push this one in. comes in. Top guy. Now again, if you look right here, positive, negative, positive, negative. You may have to put them on and then switch them, just in case. It may or may not work. So this one's plugged in. This one's plugged in. So have your helper see if it lights up.
Top is not on.
Right?
Yeah, no, top is not on.
Alright. We're both factors then. So have the bright lights on now. So as soon as, yep, see? Already on. Cool. It's just backwards.
Problem solved.
See if my regular come on.
Yep.
Yeah, cool.
Alright.
Put this guy in. Tuck the harness in there. Okay. Keys. Got to make sure there's a little tab on the bottom that it has to go in. So this one's in. We gotta come on. It's a pain in the butt. All right, so the headlights are in. It looks a lot better. These old stocks, but just close the hood. That was a lot better. Then we got the LEDs too. Let's see how they both look. Alright guys, that's it. I mean, I'll leave everything in the description. You guys know how to take them out and put them back in. Just make sure when you put the LEDs in, if it doesn't turn on, just flip-flop the plug. It'll turn right on. I mean, this thing looks way better though.
Brand new.
and comparing to the old stuff, like, there's this one. This one. I'd rather have
Night and day difference.
Yeah. So now we just gotta see how they look in the nighttime. So I'll put that in the end. See how big difference is when we go through the woods. See, but other than that, that's like a 15, 30 minute install. But like, share, subscribe. Catch you guys next time, really. So, all right, see you guys.